Today, we want to talk about something that can truly make or break your job search: your resume. Your resume isn't just a document. It's your personal marketing tool, the first impression you make on hiring managers and recruiters. But even seasoned professionals can make mistakes that hold them back. In this video, we're going to highlight 4 common resume pitfalls and share actionable tips to help you stand out. Let's get started. First, let's discuss your professional summary. This section is your introduction. It's your chance to make a strong first impression. But if it's too long or unclear, you could lose the hiring manager's attention in just seconds. They don't have time to dig through paragraphs to understand your value. Our tip: keep your summary short, sharp, and impactful. Focus on your unique strengths, key achievements, and the value you bring. Think of it as your personal elevator pitch on paper. Next, we want to highlight the importance of your areas of expertise. Many resumes miss this critical section. Did you know that most companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter resumes? Without a clear areas of expertise section or the right keywords, your resume might not even reach a recruiter. Our tip: add a modern areas of expertise section. Use industry-specific keywords and focus on skills that are most relevant to the jobs you're targeting. This will not only boost your ATS compatibility, but also help recruiters immediately see your core strengths. Quick break. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. We're here to help you land your next big opportunity, and your support helps us continue creating content like this. Now, let's keep going. Now, let's talk about a common oversight: lack of focus on key contributions. Your CV might list your roles and responsibilities, but is it showing the impact you've made? Many resumes fail to demonstrate how you've contributed to the success of the companies you've worked for. Our tip: highlight quantifiable achievements, things like revenue growth, cost savings, or process improvements. Measurable results clearly reflect the value you bring and can make your resume stand out from the rest. Finally, let's address achievements without context. It's great to showcase accomplishments, but if they're not tied to specific roles, it can leave recruiters confused. They need to see where and how your achievements happened. Our tip: include a dedicated achievements or contributions section under each role in your career history. This provides the context recruiters need and helps them understand the direct impact of your work. If you're wondering how your resume stacks up, we're here to help. Send your resume to us for complimentary feedback. We'll review it and share actionable tips to help you improve. And don't worry, all information will be kept private and confidential. There's no purchase obligation, just honest advice to help you stand out. Your next opportunity could be just a few tweaks away. Let's work together to make your resume shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.